And welcome back to another video. Today I am flanking the enemy at KDK Airsoft, and me and Curly Q finally worked as a team because we've been separated from teams. KDK loves to do that to us, but please watch the video to the end. It's a great video.
Moving. Moving here. Hey!
Tie my boot, right?
No.
Flip.
All right. You got this side?
Yeah, I'll
All right. Woo! Sorry. Okay, moving back. So how's life?
Pretty good.
Hey! David Walker! Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, sorry. Hey!
I almost shot
Thanks for taking my place. Yeah? Oh, that was my gun, but okay, I'll call it. Okay. I can call it if I need to. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's well. Oh. Hey!
Yeah.
I didn't see you.
I feel good, dude. I heard that ting. I was like,
Yeah.
and then more did I hit the barrel? I can't.
Oh yeah, it is the right here, right here where I was guarding my
just
chest.
like, I heard it hit something. I know it hit something.
Yeah.
Really? What? Why? Okay.
Girls, stop fighting.
And thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, thank you a ton. And if you like this video, please like it. And please consider subscribing. It'll help out the channel a ton. And please stay tuned. I'm going to SMT in the time of this filming this video. So there should be an SMT video coming out soon with Curly Q finally.